Today, we're making something divine, the ultimate soft mocha cake. It's the perfect balance of dark chocolate and coffee, rich, moist, and unbelievably soft. Every bite melts in your mouth, leaving behind a gentle bitterness from cocoa, sweetness from sugar, and the warmth of coffee, dancing together in harmony. So, let's begin, not just baking, but creating a piece of edible art. Start with the base, the heart of flavor. Into a small bowl, pour 80 milliliters of hot water. That's about 1 to 3 cups. Add 4 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, deep, dark, and aromatic. Now stir in 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. As the steam rises, you'll smell it, the intoxicating blend of chocolate and caffeine. Stir until smooth, until there are no lumps, only liquid silk. This will be our mocha essence, strong, fragrant, and unforgettable. Set it aside. Let the magic wait while we build the body of the cake. In a large bowl, combine the dry ingredients, the foundation of perfection. Add 225 grams of all-purpose flour, about 1 and 1/2 cups, leveled. Sprinkle in 1 and 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/3 teaspoon of baking soda, the lift that makes your cake rise beautifully. Now add 200 grams of sugar, exactly 1 cup. Mix gently with a whisk. You'll see the white and beige powders come together, ready to carry the flavor you've prepared earlier. Now for the wet ingredients. Crack in 4 fresh eggs, 1 at a time, letting the yolk shine in golden contrast against the pale flour. Then add 200 grams of softened butter. That's 2 cups and 3 tablespoons. Butter gives the cake its soul, that silky texture and melt-in-mouth tenderness. Pour in the cooled cocoa and coffee mixture you made earlier. Watch as the dark mocha liquid swirls into the batter, like ripples of chocolate through cream. Now whisk for 20 to 30 seconds, until everything begins to come alive. You'll feel the batter thicken, smoothen, and shine. Stop, mix again. Whisk once more, another 20 to 30 seconds. That's how the air sneaks in, giving the cake its light, delicate crumb. Finally, use a spatula to fold everything gently. A slow, loving mix that ensures no streaks are left. What you have now is perfection in liquid form. Grease a 26-20 cm baking pan, or 8x8 inches if you prefer. Line it with parchment paper so nothing sticks. Pour the batter in slowly, letting it settle. Tap the pan twice on the counter to release any hidden air bubbles. Now comes the moment of transformation. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees, 350 degrees. Slide in the pan and let it bake for 30 to 35 minutes. As the cake rises, your kitchen will fill with a scent you'll never forget. Chocolate, butter, and coffee weaving together like a symphony. You'll hear faint cracks on top, a sign that the cake's crust is forming. Thin, crisp, and perfect. While it bakes, take a breath. This is your pause, your moment of stillness. Because baking isn't just cooking, it's patience turned into joy. When the timer rings, remove it carefully. The top should spring back when you touch it. Let it cool on a wire rack, completely. Because the best cakes are the ones that rest before they're dressed. Now for the frosting, the crown of this mocha masterpiece. Take a heat-proof bowl, add 100 grams of dark chocolate, roughly chopped. Add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and 120 ml, 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Microwave for exactly 1 minute. Then stir slowly. Watch the chocolate melt into the cream, turning into glossy, silky mocha ganache. Let it cool slightly. Now take 115 grams, 1/2 cup of cream cheese in a separate bowl. Add the mocha ganache to it. Whisk for 1-2 minutes until smooth, thick, and luxurious. Give it a final mix. The frosting should look like velvet and taste like heaven. Chill the mixture for 20 to 30 minutes. As it cools, it thickens into a spreadable dream. Now gently spread it over the cooled cake. Use a spatula to smooth the top, letting every stroke glide like soft waves. Dust with 1 to 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. That final touch adds depth, aroma, and elegance. And there it is, your soft mocha cake. A dessert so simple, yet so deeply satisfying, cut into squares. The knife should slide cleanly, revealing a moist, dark center, soft as silk, rich as love. The first bite, you'll taste chocolate first, then the gentle kiss of coffee, and finally, the creamy frosting that ties it all together. This isn't just cake, it's comfort. It's warmth in every layer. It's a reminder that happiness can be made with cocoa, butter, and a little bit of patience. Enjoy it with a cup of coffee, Share it with someone you love, or have it all to yourself. No judgment here. Final line. Slow, heartfelt. So soft. So perfect, so unforgettable. This is not just baking. It's creating a memory that will stay on your taste buds forever. Thank you for watching. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because every day deserves a little sweetness and a little mocha magic.